what's happening, guys? Let me just copy this. Caleb Perumal, how's it? See you here in the chat. Alright, so guys, let me break this down for you guys quite quickly. We are looking at US 30. Again, I'm looking at potential longs today on the US 30. Looking at firstly core retail sales. Let's just refresh that. We are looking at a softer than anticipated number. You can see here actual less than forecast, which is bad for currency, right? Which means bad for the dollar. So the fact that both, actually this was higher than anticipated. Sorry, no, my bad. Minus 0.4. Sorry, I'm getting mixed up. It is less than the forecast. The forecast was 0.3, as well as the retail sales was minus 0.2, came in at minus 0.9. So overall negative for the dollar. Let's just take a look quickly at what the dollar had done. Yeah, you can see we had that sell-off just now on the dollar. That was the news there at 8:30 a.m. New York time. So yeah, looking at indices, however, inverse reaction, we should see price run up to these highs up here. We are looking at that as today's move. I am looking at that because we've got obviously, so if you were on yesterday's stream, you know that I'm just going to sort this camera out quickly. There we go. Okay, so if you were on yesterday's stream, you know that we were waiting for, well, we caught that initial buy up from this area all the way to yesterday's PPI high. That was then taken out, right? And then price held at that 15-minute inverse FVG. So if there's the inverse FVG on the 15-minute that I had drawn out, we had rallied from there. This becomes the new higher low down here. You could even take it, so you would actually mark that off as the higher low being. Why I'm using that low is because that was the PM low that was created. But in terms of structure, we can look at it there. We have already hit the 50%, so we are in the discounted range. Asian highs are sitting up above here, as well as London highs in this area. So Asian highs here in this area, London highs up here. So I am anticipating, you can see London opened and obviously sold off. So this being the manipulation. Chart's frozen. Oh, the guys are saying chart's frozen. Why is the chart frozen again? Damn. Let's try that again. Yeah, it's still frozen. I need a better software than this OBS shit. I don't think OBS is the right software to be using on a MacBook. Okay, is it moving now, guys? Yeah, so there we go. So yesterday's Asian highs, today's Asian highs, London highs up here, untaken. This being the manipulation move down during London session. We've got an order block that sits down here, which we have tapped into. That is the order block that's resting down there. We've tapped into that. We are into the discounted area. There's also the 5-minute and 15-minute FVGs in this area. So like I said, I'm in on longs. I have entered already with entries down here already. We will get an entry here for New York session open. And yeah, you can basically target those highs, 3-minute FVG and order block sitting up here. So we will be looking to go long if you aren't already in. But yeah, that is my outlook on today, guys. Just want to check quickly on the RTH chart. We've got these highs resting here, so I believe price will come back to, you can see we're trading below the previous day's close, so price should come back to these highs up here at least, and then we're going to target that high up above here as my next target. Okay, so that's pretty much in line with the move that I'm seeing currently. Let's drop back down to the ETH. Yeah, so we're in longs and we are gonna ride this up. We'll wait for a pullback. You can wait for a pullback, so should you see a spike down or a pullback, and then you can jump in if you want. Fahim, I see your message. Short, man. That's a Terry Scott fade. Alright. So longs it is, guys. We're in longs. We're sitting in longs. I am already in, like I said. We've been in from down here, sorry. Wait for a pullback. Fahim, I saw your message again now. Wait for a pullback. You get a pullback into these areas. You've got a 3-minute order block here. You've got a FEG that's forming currently. So wait for a pullback, and then we can enter. Who's calling me now? Come on, guys. And then we can enter longs. You can enter longs. Targets up above. Remember, these were the targets I was referring to. Up here, and then next target sitting up here. It is Friday, so you know the story on Friday. There can be manipulation, there can be price can move rather weirdly on a Friday. So yeah, play it safe, go in lighter than normal, and yeah, let's run it up. Okay, let's read the chats quickly. Leo says freezing, bro. Need to toy, but freezing, what you mean? Not too sure. Tito says, bro, on the news that came out now at 15:30, it was hell of a negative for USD. What you think they'll do? So guys, when it comes to the dollar and US 30, generally they move inverse to each other. That's the relationship that they share generally. It's an inverse relationship, so we should see this move up. I've explained why we're looking for those buys. Technically, we have already hit the discount of that current range after we've bounced off that 15-minute area that I showed you guys. Okay, so that 15-minute area was here, the inverse FEG that we were looking at yesterday. Tala, I see your message, you say milking it. What's Nas doing? Nas must be flying. Yeah, Nas is flying, eh? No, not that big. Yeah, let's read the comments. Nev, what's the story? You coming through or what? Uh, right. Nev giving that low fat milk. No, tell her he said he's giving that cream today, full cream. Not low fat today, full cream. Can't make today, bro. Already tuned you. Oh, sorry, man. I must have missed that WhatsApp. Okay. Can you add the long position indicator on the chart so we can see the setup? Guys, you would need to. I mean, you're gonna have to put your stop down at the low. It's gonna have to be at these lows. It's as we get closer to the time, I will. But looking at it, we need to see price come back into this area here, and then we can look at that as a potential stop with our targets up above. So we are looking at that. Remember, I'm in high risk at the bottom earlier, so you should be looking at these buys. Who's trying to call me? Okay. Let's see what the guys are saying. Supanev says, tell her shot for my poster. Hey Nev, you didn't change your poster, eh? You were supposed to change the spelling on the poster, you still didn't. Yeah, you see, it's slack. Guys, so everybody keeps asking, I see Tito's asking here in the chat, what's the best chart to use? I told you guys already in all the other videos as well. We only use the micro E-mini NAS and the micro E-mini Dow Jones Industrial Futures contract chart. This is the March 2025 delivery chart. We do not use any other chart because price on whichever broker you are using is pulled from the futures contract charts. So these are the live charts. You're going to pay an additional, I think, $9 on TradingView to get access to real-time data, and this is the chart that we use. So I hope I'm not going to get asked that again. Okay, do you think it's a good idea to move from trend line support and resistance to FVG and liquidity sweeps? Look, it all depends on your trading style, guys, and what trading model works for you. Whether you want to use support and resistance or your trend lines or whatever strategy you're using, it must work for you. I know guys who are profitable from trend lines. I know guys who are profitable from candlesticks. I know guys who are profitable from EMAs. So it all depends on you and what model works for you. Okay. All right. So that is a pullback into the 5-minute FVG. You can probably place dummies, I would say, on US 30 at that area. There is one lower down here, so again we could even see that. But yeah, for the interest of this, I do believe we're gonna run up. What's the time now? So You might still see another spike down. So let's maybe wait for that before you add your proper entries. But we definitely are going to see a little bit of a move down and then a run up. Okay, back to the chat. Hey guys, sorry, it's actually Valentine's Day today. What's the plans, guys? I actually forgot about that. It's Valentine's Day today. Tell her, check your WhatsApp. Kicking it with JP, Park Dom, live long. So, Fluxoria says my mom's birthday, happy birthday to her. Revolve says, hi bro, just wanted to find out, would you consider that 1 hour FEG as inversed? Which 1 hour are you talking about? Which 1 hour FEG are you referring to? Because the inverse one now that we are looking at is the one that has been flipped. Current order flow from bearish, broken out, flipped so we flipped the sell side FEG that was created on PPI, I think this was, CPI. That one was flipped. So yeah, if you look at it, it was flipped at that point. And we had these new FEGs that were created here. So we've got that one in line there, and you've got the breaker that is sitting up here. So that's your breaker block, that's your FEG, and we inversed that sell side FEG. So hence why I got in aggressively at this point down here, a little bit earlier on. But yeah, we need to wait for that lower time frames to give us that entry now, a more confirmed sort of entry, I would say. What the flip, Nev? Nev saying Durex cheaper in the long run. What the fuck? Oh fuck. Hey Nev, crack me up, man. The stream's pretty quiet today. Normally we've got about 100 hours here. I'm not sure where's the guys today. Everybody's taking Valentine's Day off. Last white candle down. Understood, bro. Okay. Ish, that CPI chowed me. Yeah, I also got chowed on CPI, man. Yes, sir. Nev was a lucky bastard who made money. Would be really good if we can get to previous all-time high zones. Ish. It's a little bit high up, but I do believe we will get there in the next week or two. So we should definitely see that happen. US 30 pushing heavily. How's the new broker? Oh, the new broker is amazing, guys. Absolutely amazing. You guys, I'll drop the link somewhere on my channel, or you guys can check it out on my pages. But yeah, absolutely amazing. I mean, I've been trading there for the last couple of days, and we've had nothing but good to say about them. No luck, bro. Careful planning. Hey, Nev. Alright, so okay, so the good thing is we're holding above here. Definitely are going for longs. Yeah. If you did enter around here, I told you where your stop needs to be, so follow that in line with this. So if you entered somewhere there when we were speaking, your stop would need to be down there. It's looking good, guys. Definitely looking good. Just want to make sure that we don't have any 15 that would need to be filled. No, we're looking good. The 15 is already tapped down here. Can you see here? We've got a 15 FVG and an order block that was created at that point. So 15 order block came back down, filled in FVG and a run up. So we need to see price obviously hold above this zone here. We hold above the zone and we're getting a good push up. Okay, so this is the zone I'm watching, which is this area here. Josh K says, are you guys already in? Oh, another call, guys. Why does everybody want to call now at this time? Okay, so Josh K says, are you guys already in? Just joined. Yes, so I've entered earlier. I did give another sort of area that we were looking at, which was here on that 5-minute FVG. You can see that area, but I'm in from earlier on when we've tapped into this FVG here. So my entries are a lot lower down, guys. You can see. So I am still in from there. So Fluxoria says, nice one, Nev. And Nev said he's looking for buys too, then he sold. Strategic on his end, eh? Strategic. But guys, really though, like, if you didn't catch on to that, then yeah, you should have by now caught on to that. I'm not going to say anything more, but you should have by now caught on to that. There's ways in which you can make money from sort of news events and those kind of things, but yeah. Ridar in the comments says, Lord. Nasty Nev in the building. Yeah, guys, so just a pretty Nev is not here. But he's in the chat. Yeah. Coming back, guys. I'm gonna get some top up here. Nev, some brandy in here. This is So Zaid Goosen says, Shaq, one question, do you only trade New York session? 100% guys, I only do trade New York session, and that is it. So typically, on a typical scenario, I am looking for a trade during the New York session open period. If it does not go my way, then we look at the New York PM session for the second trade. But yeah, that's basically my two trades. If I catch it on the first trade, which is the New York session open, I am not taking another trade after that. So yeah. Just checking something. Indian trader Balachutney put the donations on. I need to send money to bless this trade. What's happening, bro? Nev says, yeah, exactly. I don't use indicators, guys. I do not use indicators. All right. Okay, so this does look good, guys. So I want to see, remember what I said about this area here earlier? I said that I want to see price obviously close above this area to show me intent of running these highs, this being the next one. And because that was a London session high up here, as well as the high that's resting here from the New York session yesterday. So we've got these two highs that I'm looking at. Okay, so we have, let's just check here. So nobody's doing anything for Valentine's Day. Nobody said anything earlier. Going on a date with US30, spending it with you. So guys, we should, so if we go back to the RTH, price is currently somewhere here, so we still have room to fill to the PDC. Should we open, what's the time now, 15? So should we open down here, we're still gonna have room to fill here, right? To close that PDC and then run up into that PM high that I'm talking about. Nev, what's the plan? Are you holding to PDC or you're checking it up? I actually, so on my other account, I'm looking at it now. Where you guys saw it, I have full margined a micro. Tell her where you. Are you still here? I want to show you something. Oh, you're still here. Check it. I traded it your style, boss. So Tito says, oh, you tell her, you say you can't see it. I'll send you a screenshot. But, or maybe just do this. Maybe do that. Can you see it now? Oh, screen too small. Sorry, man. Okay, I'll send you a screenshot of it. Nev says you're trading or coloring in, bro. Hey, that's how Tyler trades. He convinced me to try out that micro account, full margin. It's actually not bad because you got quite a lot of room to fuck up. Okay, we're getting a good push here, guys. Good push. So this is good. This is looking good. You see what you're seeing here? fact that we are above this, we've now pushed above it. So if we go to 15, we have pushed above the SIBI. We've pushed above the SIBI, and we are, if we get a close above here, then I'm confident this thing is definitely going to run to our targets. But yeah, definitely should be running up in that area. And especially to these two targets here. That's a session high up here. Flip to your RTH, you'll see it on there. Fluxoria says Nasdaq is not moving. I haven't checked Nasdaq today. Just see Nasdaq. Okay, not too bad. So Nasdaq, let's run it back on the RTH. Where's price? So we're at 22.83083. Let's go to the ETH 22.0. So we're somewhere here. So we're gonna actually be above that price. Is that correct? Yeah, we're gonna be above. Yeah, we will be above the close, so I'm pretty sure this one's gonna probably spike down first before it goes up. Where's 8383 is here, so yeah, we might get a small spike down to that area. So you're currently sitting about 300 pips above that close. Okay, our US30 is moving. We are moving and we are looking good, guys. We are looking very good. There we go. Pushing, guys, pushing. Let's see how we close above this. And then we look at these two areas here. MJ Valentine's rally, absolutely, guys, absolutely. I would say when we get to this high, we can, if you entered on that 5-minute tap that I was speaking about earlier down here, you can move your stops to break even or even trail it to that candlestick low down here, the one that caused the FEG that was tapped into. That would be a safer bet. You can even do so now. You should be about 500 odd pips up. Remember, I caught that aggressive one like I explained on the 1 hour at that point there. And I did add on the other account here. But yeah, like I said, you can trail those stops. Who's holding? Who entered? Who entered with us? Who's holding? Blake, ZA. We're not going into shorts. What shorts are you talking about? Blake, come with your stories here. I told you we're not allowed to speak about shorts here. This is a short free zone. Leo stays still holding. Flexoria says I'm up 1623. Nice, well done guys, well done. Suvash says can we enter now? No, I mean you can't enter now guys. Okay, so looks like we're going to open pretty much almost close to the yesterday's close. So we might see a spike down at the open if we do open around this area, guys. You can potentially see a spike down open if we open around this area. So like I said, trail that stops. You can always re-enter should we come back down into. Can find another entry on the 15 or lower. So let's check the 3. Yeah, remember there was this untapped 3-minute order block there. So yeah, we could potentially come back into that area if we open up above here. But I still do see these targets being hit first, guys. So it's target 1, target 2, target 3. You know the drill, guys. Make sure you're trailing, make sure you're protected. It all comes down to good risk management. Good risk management. Five minutes setting up with a couple FEGs as well. Got a few here, another one lower down. So we'd like, yeah. So we need this one to close with that FEG there. As at the moment, nothing. We need to see it close there with the FEG. There is one here to note. So there's one here. There's a key level on the 1 minute there at that area as well. We might even see price. I can remove that now. We might even see price bounce off these areas here. Ideally, you want to see it from here because then you've got room to fill to the PDC. So David Maposa says target reached. I'm Audi, guys. See you next week. Nice one, man. Nice one. Take it easy there. Nice. PNBK says dirty 30 being cleaned today. Yeah, it has been, but it's a Friday. Like I said earlier, just be careful, minimize your risk. Okay, so we want to see it hold above here. We want to see the candles hold above here. The bodies of these candles must hold above here. 29, we are looking at 30 seconds more. Okay, so that held, guys. We should see it run up to the PDC now. Come on. Come on. We need to see it. We need to see it run this high, guys. It's got to shoot up for this liquid. That is a London high. There we go. Come on. Was that? No, that was almost it. Come on, 30. Just more making sure my stop is in place. I have moved my stops to my entries. Okay. Came close. Came close. Who says I got MJ says I got taken out at entry. Aish. Okay, so this should be the push now to run that highs and into that PDC. I want to see that PDC being filled, guys. I want to see the PDC being filled. PNBK still in. Easy says 5K. It's closing above my FVG, so it will shoot up. Yeah, 100%. I do see it. I do see it going. We have held above these FVGs. So if you look on the 3 minute, 5 minute. So there, that one down here. Like I said, it almost tapped into this order block, the 3 minute one that we were looking at, which it didn't. But okay, come on. PDC, guys, PDC. Come on. Playing proper, usual Friday. Typical Friday. US 30. If I get taken out on that, then I'm just probably gonna call it a day. Come on. What did NAS do, guys? What did NAS do? Yeah, so NAS, let's switch to the RTH. Yeah, you see, so NAS is trying to fill. NAS is trying to fill. US 30 needs to fill. There we go. Come on, come on. Come on, the guys want to take their chicks out. You're delaying them. They need a payday. Come on. Trump speaking again tonight. What time is he speaking? I don't remember seeing that on Forex Factory. Oh, there, Trump speaks. There's it. But there's no time attached to it, guys. I don't see a time. No time. That's weird. There we go, guys. Come. We need to see that high being taken and then obviously a close on that PDC. I do believe we are going to see it. We do believe that. Just can't see that there. Yes, sis, we just about, did we spike it? No, that was equal. So doing the same thing it did yesterday, played, and then eventually went. Eventually. Come, we need to call this a week now. Come. There we go. Okay, so that high is taken, guys. That high is taken. That stop can be brought to break even. And we are going to close that PDC now. So you should be about 750 pips up. There we go. There we go. There we go, guys. Power. Absolute power, guys. Yeah, so that's at the PDC. That's almost at the PDC. I'm gonna take out some partials here. Make sure you do the same, guys. Make sure you take out some partials. Killer week, killer week, killer week. We are moving, guys. Yo. Alright, so that's full the PDC completely. W's, guys. W's, 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 W's. Come on. Put those W's there. Let's see how much. I mean, how many guys took this one? Like I said, we're running risk free. You should have paid yourself some partials. These are my targets. I explained why earlier. So those are the targets, guys. W's, W's, W's. Nice, guys. That's over 1,000 pips that has been smashed. Over 1,000 pips, guys. 1,000 pips plus. Just gonna make a quick video for my Instagram. W's in the chats. Over 1,000 pips smashed. Done live, guys, with everybody on stream. Absolutely killed it yet again. And that is how we roll. Fluxoria says $3,810. Well done, man. Yes. Well done, well done, well done. Nicely done, guys. Abdul Ibrahim Murtid, Zero Kazama, W Ibrahim, well done, W. Tito says, Jazakallah Shakil, this is really appreciated, and I hope you keep doing these lives for the rest of the year. Absolutely, man. I definitely will keep trying to do these for you. But yeah, make sure you guys show support, like the videos, subscribe to the channel, obviously put us into that algorithm, and yeah, it will motivate us to obviously keep going, keep sharing free knowledge and education with you guys. But brilliant end to the week, guys. Enjoy your Valentine's, enjoy your weekend, and yeah, from my side, have a blessed one and stay safe. Catch you guys next week, same time, same place.